What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Week 2 unboxing. This week kind of sucks. I almost didn't make this video because I couldn't really find anything I wanted to get besides the kettlebell, and I felt like that might have been kind of dumb if I just got that item. This morning I kind of decided I might just try to get some of the hats too, to make it a little bit more entertaining and not just getting one item, as well as I think the kettlebell shipping is going to be more than like $10 or $12. So maybe to offset that, I'll try to get some hats. So yeah, this week is highlighted by the Nike Blazers. However, I'm not too interested in them. I don't not like them. I don't need them, and I don't really think they're gonna resell. I could be wrong. I didn't even look at market or anything. So I could be wrong about that, but I'm not going for them. As well as the football jersey is super fire. Like, I really like that, but I personally wasn't feeling any of the colors. I think they should have picked better colors. So because of that, I'm also not going for those. We have about 3 minutes left into the drop. I feel like this video is gonna be very quick. So hopefully we can just like bust this out really quick and take the W. So yeah, I'm basically just going for, it's like 2 or 3 hats I don't even remember, and then the kettlebell. So we're probably only spending like a little over $100 if that kettlebell really is only $58. I thought that was kind of cheap. I know that's like basically just a little bit more than what the typical price is for those items, but I kind of thought that was kind of cheap just because those other weights, maybe this is a different manufacturer, those were pretty expensive. So for only $58, I'm definitely gonna try to cop. You know me too, I collect almost all the accessories. We're gonna try to secure that today. We got a couple minutes left into the drop, so I guess I could cue this up right now. All right, so we got about 1 minute now left until the drop. So let's go over here. My computer's running like extremely slow. I don't know what's going on. Like, maybe my Wi-Fi is just being garbage as usual right now, but this is going extremely slow. Not sure what is going on here. But look how long that just took to refresh that. All right, this is not looking so hot for me. Actually, I literally can't even get this to refresh. So yeah, we got 30 seconds left into the drop. Hopefully it's about to be just an easy cook. So I don't know if I said this either, but I'm definitely just gonna try to get all these items together because I'm trying to, oh yeah, I did say that, because I'm trying to get the shipping not as bad, because obviously I'm not gonna hit free shipping, but I'm hoping the shipping just won't be as bad if I get multiple items, like it, you know, kind of evens it out a little bit. So we have 5 seconds left into the drop. I'm just gonna be loading on all of them, which will probably go to accessories. All right, so 11 o'clock, so let's go. Where are they at? Where's it at? Probably just went right there. No, it didn't. Alright, not looking so hot. They don't even have the new button yet, so clearly it didn't go. Alright, they were early the other week, but this week they're a little late. Hopefully that's not just my my Wi-Fi just being garbage as usual. Man, this is not looking good. Not looking good. Alright, it's been like 40 seconds after the drop, and it's still not here. The new tab is not even here, so... Is it even Thursday right now? Okay, it's definitely Thursday, so I'm not sure what's going on. Dang, what is going on here? It's 11:01. Still no new tab. It's literally it's 11:01 with 24 seconds. Like, come on. Am I like missing something here? Did I miss the drop? Is the drop not happening on Thursday this week? What's going on? Oh, no? Yeah, there it is. Man, there goes the Wi-Fi. Alright, we got this. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. You know what I just realized too? I completely forgot to, wow, what is going on right now? I completely forgot to talk about, the new hat is not here. I completely forgot to talk about the collaboration. Yo, I can't click on anything. Looks like I'm getting red because I can't click on black. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I actually did not want that color. I wanted brown, but you know, we'll take that. And then I was just gonna grab this. Thought that was black. Is that not black? This is black. Here we go. Come on. Oh wow, that's actually over $250. So we actually might get that. Okay, so the shipping actually was free. Looks like we're picking horses again this week. Hopefully I can actually know what a horse is this week. Oh no, what I gotta do? I already did the horse. I gotta redo the horse. Just like the other week. Oh my god. I clearly just don't even know what horses are. This is just not looking good. This is not looking good. Come on. I feel like I was super slow on this one right now because so things were it was just lagging a lot, so I might not even get this, and then I just messed up. Oh, okay, so I actually got it. This was, why do I feel like this is a little bit more money than usual? The shipping was free, but I don't know. I mean, I got all the hats like I wanted. I got the wrong color on 2 of them, but that's okay. But we got what we wanted here. So let's just go back to the shop, because I just realized, like, I forgot to talk about the collaboration. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I actually didn't know who this was, so that's why I didn't go for it. I wasn't hip on this. I didn't know who it was, and then it wasn't something that like stood out for me that I necessarily needed. But I thought the picture was kind of fire. He's like crawling or something. I saw from the Supreme video. That's pretty fire. Like, that is a cool deck. Just not really something that I needed. Crazy that the Blazers are still here. Like, is this really a size 9? What is this? Click and hold? Oh, I guess it really is in size 9. That's kind of crazy. I still thought they would sell out, but they're still sitting here. But yeah, that's basically gonna do for my live cop. I know this is probably gonna be like the most boring live cop I had, and I know I've said that in the past, but this actually might take the cake for the most boring one. So we did get everything we wanted though. We got the hats, just like I said, the wrong color, but that was my fault because I just couldn't get it to load. I didn't want to wait any longer, even though it looks like, oh, the kettlebell did sell out. So that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Let me just end the screen recording. So like I said, this was a pretty quick video, pretty boring video. We didn't really do too much, and I forgot to talk about the collaboration. I'm just lacking today. That's what I get for waking up late. But yeah, we still took the dub, got what I wanted, didn't have to pay shipping, which was a plus because I thought I was gonna have to. But if you did enjoy this video, I did make a video for Supreme Week 1 2 weeks ago when Week 1 was. I haven't done the unboxing yet because I haven't got all my packages in. I'm missing like a lot of stuff. I think I just got the skateboards and then maybe like 2 other packages. So I am missing a few items. So when that comes in, I will be making an unboxing video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure you hit the like button. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up from today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.